Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to get Pygame on PyCharm. So what you're going to want to do, so if you have this where you import it or you run it and you get the module.found error, all you're going to need to do is you go to, right here at the bottom, you go to Python packages, and then you can look up Pygame, and then you just want to hit install with pip, and then it's go to install. Alright, now when you run it, it's gonna say, yeah, it works. So, another way you can do it is you can go to settings. You can go to um, project interpreter, and you can add it here too. If the other way doesn't work for you, you can just search up Pygame here and add it and hit install package. If you're on Mac, um, you might not have settings, but you can just go to preferences, and project interpreter should be in there somewhere, and then you can do the same thing on Mac. So I hope that helps someone, and have a good one.